we're slowly starting to take down the set, as you guys can see. A lot of things are going to be happening on the channel where it's going to start to look a little bit more empty in this room because we are moving into our new place. So bear with me on the backdrop. It's going to be changing quite a bit in the next couple weeks. But today, guys, I'm very excited to unbox this with you. This is going to be an unboxing for a pair of Jordan 1 Pollens. That's why, a shoe that has not even came out yet. So we're going to be taking a look at that today. And dude, I got to say that this is honestly something that I've been very excited about because, as you guys know, I love the color yellow on sneakers, and I gotta say, like, in 2021 it seems like the year of the yellow sneaker because we've already seen that off-white Air Force 1, that like lemonade color over here, very yellow shoe. We're also getting the Jordan 4 Lightnings coming out soon, and then there's this one right here, the Jordan 1 Pollen. And for this one, this is actually the first Jordan 1 in a primarily yellow colorway, so I've been waiting for this to drop for a very long time. Even the box is sick, dude. Check this thing out. Nike yellow swoosh over here. It's kind of like a muted yellow or like that Iowa dunk kind of look, so kind of more mustardy dark yellow over here, and it is an all yellow box, so easy to spot what shoe it is. And for the sneaker itself, let's take a look what we got. This is pretty clean, dude. I like this. This is the first time I'm seeing the Jordan 1 Pollen in hand, and the leather doesn't seem that great on it, to be honest, but still, you know, this is a pretty dope sneaker. So you guys can take a look at it up close. Again, the Jordan 1 High in the Pollen colorway. I believe that the actual color is Varsity Maize, so again, that is reminiscent of those Iowa Dunk highs. And as I mentioned, you guys can see that leather. It's not the greatest on the mid panel or even the toe box, but I mean, still, what we're looking for was that primary yellow color blocking. It does come with white laces and also black laces, and of course, it already has the yellow laces over here. So overall, this thing does look pretty clean, guys. It is going to be dropping on August 14th on the sneakers app. It does seem like there is going to be a huge stock for this though, because if you guys check your sneakers app, it actually has men's sizing, big kid size, little kid size, and also toddlers. So anytime you see those variations of little kid shoes and stuff, that usually means that the stock count is very high. So I am predicting that the resale of this will probably shift to about 250 post drop, but a year from now, my sales prediction for this will probably be closer to about 400 or 450. So if you guys are able to cop, it's a good long-term hold, or if you guys want to wear it like myself, then I highly suggest you guys get on this and cop it now before it does explode, because dude, this is the first Jordan 1 that's like in a yellow colorway. And as a person that really loves yellow shoes, I know this for a fact because I've been hunting for a Jordan 1 in a yellow colorway for quite a long time. I believe that the first yellow Jordan 1 was from the Beginning Moments pack, and that came out in 2007, but that one was a mid, so it was not actually a Jordan 1 high. And then there was also the Jordan 1 not for resale in the yellow colorway, but it wasn't like a primary yellow. It was like a secondary color on that shoe. So again, not an actual yellow Jordan 1. This is the first time that we're seeing this, and man, I gotta say, this thing is fire. So I highly recommend you guys go for it on August 14th, dude. Very clean shoe, and definitely one you guys want in your collection. Anyway, comment down below if you guys are going to be trying for this one on August 14th. I'm personally going to try to double up and hopefully hit on retail over there. I'm also going to try for the kid shoes and stuff as well. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Make sure you guys drop a comment on it if you guys are copying for yourself. And as always, guys, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!